Hello guys, and welcome to AJF Aquatics YouTube. Today here I am doing a completion on a 300-gallon pond tote that I put into the ground a few months back. Currently added 200 pounds of sand, filling up. This is the first fill up. I will be partially emptying to remove any of that discoloration, and then I'll do a final fill up. We got it running on a Laguna. PF 2000. It's doing the job for a 300 gallon. I custom built the Waterfall. My client did all the scaping herself. And as I said, I'm just letting it fill up about 2/3 of the way. Then I'll do a backwash and I'll remove about half, and then I'll let the last bit fill up and add water conditioner and other needed chemicals to get this started.